spoken again. Just one moment. Boom, and the link is out. Let's do this. Yo, what's good, my people? All right, give me one sec. I'll just mute myself and put the camera off so I can just prepare myself. I was in the middle of other stuff. This came from nowhere. So give me one sec. All right, let's do this. Boom. Okay, listen, my people. First and foremost, we streaming, but I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, this took me on the blind side. I was not ready for this, so I probably know less than you guys know. So, fill me in. What's happening? I know Trump said Bitcoin reserve. Okay, good. I know he mentioned what did he mention? XRP, Solana, Cardano, of course, ADA. Here's the thing. I'm thinking about being a little bit cocky and shorting this market right now, actually, because we're getting some reversal confirmations and we have hit an order block. So let me show you guys what I mean. If I do it, I just have to warn you, it's a very risky, dangerous move. So don't do what I do. Disclaimer, all right? If you do it, be very cautious with it. So here it is. That is that. Give me one sec. Let's do like this. Let's do the copy trading account so you guys see what I do. Let's take that one. So unfortunately, I didn't catch that XRP move. Only caught it a little bit, as you can see here. But we will look at the continued price action. Let me see the chat. Out pumper, yeah, I know that. Everything is pumping. Fill me on what you guys know on the news so far, and let me know if you made any profits on this. The annoying thing was the ACH trade that I called out this morning, man. That was super annoying because it stopped us out. This one stopped us out, and then what? It stopped us out here, and then it did this. So yeah, we were a little bit unlucky with that one, but we cannot catch them all, right? What I will do is right now is this here. I will go long on ACH, the one that I called out this morning. And give us a good, it's rebounding good here. A little bit late into it, but it's okay. We got $351 on that one, is okay. If it goes down a little bit more, we add more. XRP, I want to catch the pullback. Caught it here, cashed out a little bit. And the reason why I'm stalling on these ones right now, I'm gonna show you guys what I mean here. The reason why I'm stalling in these ones is this. All of these pairs have hit resistance zones, right? And when we're looking at XRP, so let's look at XRP first. We're gonna look at ADA also and Solana also, right? We're gonna look at all the pairs that this is regarding, and we're gonna see if we can, what information we can find about the news so that we are up to date with what's going on. She said, "It's a good question. Is this just a start, or we will see more?" So here's the thing. if you're looking at BTC, I think that this is actually the end, to be honest. It might go a little bit higher to make people, you know, euphoric and jump in even further. But what I think is we will see, probably like always, the night from Sunday to Monday, we will see a hard pullback. So I think that we will see a hard pullback. It doesn't have to be, so don't take my word on it, but there's a big chance we will see it. Because here's the thing. Here's what I see. Like, let's look at this from a bigger perspective. And we're looking at BTC right now, right? Boom, remove this. So we have this major structure that we created in March, from March up until November. This is the Trump pump, when Trump got elected. I think we need to come back down and retest the structure. There's so much liquidity still resting here. There's so much people that needs to get liquidated. So I think that this here is just a retest. You see this structure here? This is just a retest of this structure from underneath. Understand what I mean? And then we push further down, and the next level will be 74, maybe all the way down to 69,000. That's what I think. That's what I see. So unfortunately, I have to kill the hype a little bit, because I think this is just a temporary fake hype. Something will come out and will sink the market. This is just my experience. This is how, from all these years, like what I've learned from these kind of events. It's always like this. So they always create something to induce everybody, to create that fake hype, to get everybody in on the markets. And then something comes and then liquidates everybody. And I think the liquidation that will come from here will be the last liquidation before we get on the real bull run. You can even see the fear and greed index. It's down at, it actually went up to 25, 27 already. We were down at like 10 the other day. So yeah. So should I put the short, should I not? This is what I'm trying to convince myself to. I'm negotiating right now. Good rebound of BTC. I think it's going to push a little bit more. I'm going to find the levels that I want to sell from. This is definitely the level. And guys, stick with me, because we're going to dive into the fundamentals and see what is happening. Like, why did this happen? Okay, we know that Trump had an announcement, but still, we want to get into details. Got in on a long BTC at 87.1. I'm up like 105%. Just took some profits. Nice, Koyar. Man, congratulations. Love that. Did a 70% profit on XRP. Nice, Niklas. Love that. We love when the team is winning, man. The funny thing is, y'all guys made me aware of what was going on. I was sitting back here. We have a recording studio. I was preparing actually educational content for you guys. And you know, recording was on, and I just saw my phone just like going berserk. And I was like, hey, what's going on, man? I have to check it. Like, maybe it's, like, I don't know, somebody's dying, World War III, something is happening. And then I saw what I saw. But then it was too late. Like, I already saw this fat candle, so it was too late already. So I FOMO'd in a little bit with XRP. But yeah, $10, man. What a joke. But it is what it is. So I want to see BTC pump a little bit. I want to see it come up to about 95. Yeah, 95, 93. That would be sweet. But what I'm going to do is this here. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to prepare a short for BTC. You see, this is the 5-minute time frame, and the next, or the last 5-minute candle has actually engulfed and created a new momentum, but it needs to break the resistance here, and there's a lot of resistance, as you see here. So we have an order block exactly here. This here is an order block, and that's what's stopping it right now. Boom. And the boring thing with this is that, damn, this one had a good pullback. The boring thing with this is that it can be stuck there forever. Like these kind of order blocks, it can sit there forever and accumulate. Let me see how this looks on the, okay. What you guys think? We're getting another leg up from here? It's a good spot for it, but I think we're going lower actually. And sorry if I move fast here, but it's just for myself. I need to get an overview of what has happened and what's going on. All right, guys, so look, here's the thing. This is what I see technically, all right? I see this. We had a massive, just like we get the sell-offs, is overreaction, right? Panic selling, this is the same thing, FOMO. We got an overreaction here as well, all right? Now, market came up, and what has happened? All this liquidity, has been swept, all right? Market took it out. It's all swept, it's all neutralized. So what I see now is that the market will actually retrace. We might get be stuck here for a little while, for a couple of hours. I think during the night, when Asia opens, we will see more action. And right now we are resting on this order block, which is support. So if we zoom out a little bit, then we can see this exactly. Market has come in and has found support on this order block. I want to see this market retrace all the way, like you see the arrow. I want to see the market retrace all the way down to 2.57, all right? I know that one of you guys will be very happy if that happens, because I know that one of you guys have not had the chance because you're on Avanza. I'm telling you guys, listen, Bitunix, or Bybit, Binance, whatever you want to do, but go on a real crypto exchange. Don't do Avanza, because yeah, it simplifies tax and stuff like that. So it's cool if you hold it long term, but short term, you see now, like, it's not good. You miss opportunities. You don't own the real crypto, so you don't want that. Guys, we are at a situation right now where it either turns or it breaks through. BTC looks strong, but is it strong enough? You know what? Let's have some fun with it. I'm going to short this one with a small size from here. Boom. Okay, maybe that was not small. See if we can get a little pullback here. Pullback, por favor. And this is not something that I will hold for a long time. I wanted to pull back a little bit. Then I will close maybe 50 or 75%. And then from there, we'll see. Doesn't look good right now though. Afiyat Habibi. Yo, Jack. It wants to push, huh? How are the other ones doing? This one is good, this one is good. Damn. Okay, if this pushes, I need to close it. So we don't want to take any hard loss on this. What I'm waiting for now, I'm waiting for this wick here. Boop. This was the reaction I was waiting for. But now, man, this market wants to push up. I closed half of it. Nah, bad call. Bad call. I hope nobody followed me there. I do stupid stuff, so you guys don't need to do stupid stuff, alright? But the good thing is that these two will get a little bit momentum, hopefully, from this. All right. All right, back to the chart. So first things first, we will test 92.5. And you guys remember these numbers, huh? 92.5, 94.5, all these old supports that we had before this whole dip happened. But you see the levels are even still marked out, but 92.5 will be the first like real resistance line that we need to break through. We need to get above it. And that is this whole order block that you see here. It stretches from 90.5, I would say, all the way up to 92.5. We need to get above that, find support. Next resistance will come at 95,100 all the way up to 95,900, say 96, give and take. These are the order blocks we are looking at. I still think that this thing will turn, but maybe it needs to come all the way up to 95, like I said from start. With that said, all right, let's see what X is saying about this. Let me see, where do we have my stuff? Here I have it, CoinBureau. A US, yeah, this one we posted it, right? A US crypto reserve will elevate this critical industry after years of corrupt attacks by the Biden administration, which is why my executive order on digital assets directed the presidential working group to move forward on a crypto strategic reserve that includes XRP, Solana, and ADA. I will make sure the US is the crypto capital of the world. We are making America great again. Like this is, listen guys, this is mega bullish. But I have to say the same thing that he's saying here. There's no mention of Bitcoin. That was very interesting actually. The only thing is, I agree with Luna. You know, why this should have actually sent it even higher. This is extremely bullish for XRP and ADA. Where's ADA? Here. So yes, of course, this is a crazy pump, but I think that there is more to come actually. 32%. Okay, that was actually more than I thought. That's a crazy freaking pump, man. Remove this. All right, let's see if we have something more on this. What can we get? Damn. I kind of agree with this. I don't know if you guys understand what he's saying. So he means that this is from the Bitcoin conference. They're a big X profile. What they mean is like, you know, USA will go for XRP instead of BTC, and it is actually not as good as you guys think. We guys are invested in XRP, and this is why you guys think it's a good thing, but it is not good. I never really liked XRP, but I've been invested into it because I understand the project, I understand the technology, and I understand what kind of revolution this will be for the financial system. I understand that the financial system, the current financial system that we have, the traditional financial system, needs it. But I don't like it because it's almost like a CBDC. It's a centralized currency. So it's not decentralized in the same matter like BTC that runs on a network. XRP is run by Ripple, and which means like there's one company that actually controls it, you know. So it kind of goes against the whole thing that that crypto stands for in that manner. Now, of course, it's much better than the fiat currency that we have today, but still, though, it's not. The same thing. So as a means of exchange to do purchases and stuff like that, or transfer money between banks like it was meant to be, I think it's excellent. It's brilliant. But to use as a reserve asset for a country, I don't know. Brad Garlinghouse, the owner of or the CEO of Ripple, he must have smeared Trump really hard, because that one is not as good. Just reading this article. See if there's something important for us here. And I see XRP is catching new momentum. All of them are catching new momentum. All right. Just so annoyed that I didn't get in properly on it. I think that's why I want to pull back. Afiat Okan, Jake. Yeah, you know what, Koyar? Very possible that it breaks 95.5. But I don't think it's gonna. If it breaks it, it's just temporarily. I don't think it's gonna stay there. I think we. I think this is gonna liquidate a lot of people. Here's the thing. I said that we coming down to 72,000. Is That's what I believe, but we don't need to. We can we can, we can see something like this also. Like it comes up here to 95, and then goes back down, retests these levels at about 90, 86, and then from there makes it way up. But I think, like I said before, I think we're coming down to 74, 72K. I think everybody, we call it a relief rally. Everybody's relieved now, thinking that, okay, cool, the storm is over, bull run is back, we up, we flying, and then comes another dump. Trump will announce some tariffs or some new world war or something will happen, and yeah, and then we will see the real bull run, and we will see a crazy. Because here's the thing: I think that we have a bull run that we have never seen before in store for us. I think that the bull run that will come will melt faces, and the same thing with the altcoin run that will come, but it will not come as everybody wants to, and as everybody is expecting, and as we have seen it historically. This bull run is completely different from all previous bull runs, and first and foremost because we got institutional money inside, we got Wall Street inside, we got investment banks inside, so it's very different. And now we got countries also looking to get in, so it's a very different bull run. It's different money, different players in the game, big players that have big wallets, big pockets, and yeah, it is what it is. Insider trading on Trump, of course. Huh. I actually saw this. I saw that we had a couple of people going long very hard on BTC today, and I'm gonna be honest. You know the ACH trade I called out this morning. Where is it? Here, boom. So I called this one out this morning. I think it was like, where was it? Here somewhere. When I called it out, and then this dump came from nowhere, liquidated us. I hope you guys got out before that happened, because I I said to close the trade, and I think it was just 1, 2, 3 minutes after I said it, and the thing just dumped. And then, boom, the bounce up was crazy. So, um, the reason why I took the long, I didn't want to trade today. Sunday, market is slow. It's not nice to trade today. But I took that long just because of this. Because I got the information that there were some big whales going long. And most often when you see these guys go long so hard on BTC and ETH and stuff like that, it's most often insider trading. They know something that we don't know. But you see, we're having hard to get to break up from here. Mm. I like this candle. Bullish candle. Yeah, man. I think, Koyer, I think you're going to be right. I think we're going to get up to 95.5. So here, at least 94.5. Looks like BTC is prepping up to for another push. Okay, so he says it's here. Obviously, BTC and ETH will also be included in the strategic Bitcoin reserve, crypto reserve. Yeah, I understand Joachim, bro. It's the same thing. I was on the sideline, man, totally not focused on this. This came at the baddest timing for me. Yeah. But how did actually Ethereum do? Yeah. So you see BTC is prepping up for a new push. Ethereum is okay. Okay. So we are back in there. Interesting. You know what I will do? I will do nothing. I will leave these positions that I managed to take. I will just leave them. If XRP wants to go higher, you are more than welcome. If ACH wants to go higher, you're more than welcome. 18. Do I really want? No, man. We'll do like that. All right, guys. Look. So this is my take on this whole thing. Instead of sitting here and going back and forth, this is what I see. So we might get a little bit more push. Okay, everybody's euphoric. Everybody wants to see this thing continue forever. We might get a little bit more push probably during the night from Asia. I don't think we're going to break 95.5, all right, for BTC. I don't think we're going to break it. And when it comes to XRP, and I'm going to get to ADA also, when it comes to XRP, I don't think we're going to break 3, let's say 3.1. I don't think we're going to break that today. Tomorrow, maybe. Probably. We will see what happens. When it comes to ADA, I haven't even looked at ADA. I got to look at it now. And Sol also. I haven't even looked at Sol either. And same thing, like you see all the accumulated liquidity here. Boom, we have taken everything out. It's cleaned house now. All of this is clean. And I see the same thing on all these pairs, right? See that with BTC. BTC actually not so much, but XRP definitely. This whole thing cleaned up. So, and I would guess with Sol also, but Sol has been on a much harder dive than everybody else. And all the other tokens. And you see, like, I said that we might go lower. So you see this resistance or the support that Sol had for a very long time. Ever since August 2024, all right? So August last year. From just my intuition and experience, market will come up, hit this order block, which will be a perfect retest of this previous support as resistance, and it will dump further. That's just what I think. I think this was too easy. I don't think we're getting off the hook this easy. Understand what I mean? Very hard to say. You know what the thing is? Koyar, it's a good question. How will the market react tomorrow? So the first question is, how will Asia react tonight? Because Asia are gamblers. They love to gamble. So what will they do now? Will they dump the market because they see that everything has hit resistance, or will they actually push it further? Tomorrow morning, I don't know. We're going to see what happens. But then 2 o'clock, what happens? 2 o'clock, New York opens. The banks in New York open. And I'm saying 2 o'clock Central European time. So I'm talking Central European time. Most European countries. 2 o'clock, New York opens. I want to see when we'll stream it, but I probably won't be able because I'm doing the market overview and it takes some time to do it. But I will keep you guys posted on what's happening. If there's too much action, yes, of course, we go live, we stream it. But yeah, so 2 o'clock, I'm expecting action. I'm expecting market to move a lot. And up, down, sideways, we don't know. Maybe some backflips and some other stuff. But that's 2 o'clock. Then we have 3:30. 3:30, the stock exchange open in New York. Same thing. That's when Wall Street's open. Wall Street opens up. That's why I love to stream 4 o'clock. Because 4 o'clock, Wall Street is open, New York is open, everything is open, and money's flooding into the markets. We have good volume, good liquidity in the markets. So this is what I think. I think that we will see a lot of zigzagging now. Market basically balancing itself out. Not any real push in any direction. We will not see anything like this anymore. This part is over. Like I said, I think that not Solana but BTC will come up to about 94.5, maybe a little bit higher, and then it will make its way down back to about 92,500. From there we will see. If we get some bad news, whoop, we go down again. So we just got to be ready for it. I'm trading very small movements, but because these trades that I have here are so small, I'm letting them sit. I'm not gonna do anything with them. I'm just gonna let them sit in case this thing wants to go to the moon and never pull back again. So that's what I see. That's what we do. We know the facts are, just to summarize, Solana, XRP, Cardano, BTC, and Ethereum will be included in a strategic digital asset reserve in the United States. This is mega bullish, not only because of the United States are doing it, but because they are the first ones. So when they do it, it's game theory. What will happen is countries will rush in now to do the same thing. So this means that XRP, Solana, ADA, Ethereum, and BTC, these 5 tokens will be very scarce. There will be a very high demand for them and low supply on them. So, or the supply will diminish very fast. So this will skyrocket the prices of them. So, yeah, That's what it is. Right now, we just have to wait and see. We got the first impulse reaction, and now we just want to see how the market balances itself out and what the technicals will say about this. So what the charts will say about this. All right. But with that said, guys, I got to get back to my stuff. I got to do the Academy video for you guys. I have a, listen, by the way, I have a killer video coming out. It's like crypto step by step, how to get started, how to trade the strategy that I'm using myself, how to invest long term. This is like the ABC that all new traders and beginners can start with. And then you can go deeper into learning the different concepts and stuff inside our academy. But that's what I'm doing right now. Hopefully I will have the video out by the mid of next week now. It depends on the editing and depends on this, that not much more like this will happen, because this of course distracts me and makes me jump into the chart very fast, to the charts. But that's that. So with that said, guys, thank you for watching and have a happy Sunday, and I'll see you guys at the top, because you know the bottom is way too crowded. Peace.